Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Style Me Up with Sakshi. I hope you guys are doing safe, you're keeping well, and you're happy. I'm so happy that you're here right now. Today we're doing one of the most interesting videos for me. I love skincare. I've been obsessed with skincare. This is something that I've really invested in these last few months. I feel like I'm just turning 25 and skincare is all the more important. As you grow older, for some reason you start investing in skincare more than makeup products, and that's just my thing, which is why we have a haul video, a skincare haul for you guys. I'm going to be covering all of the products that I actually invested in. First and foremost, I actually got all of my skincare, my Korean skincare from Macaron. This website has so many cool Korean skincare brands. A friend actually recommended this, so I got a bunch of skincare. Can you hear this? Can you hear this? These are a lot of products, and I'm going to be reviewing, trying out, swatching, talking about the texture. I do have very oily, acne-prone skin, so I was very determined to get this particular brand that I've heard so much about, which is Keep Cool. This brand has actually a specific range which is for sensitive skin, which is the Soothe range. I really wanted to try this out because a lot of people have actually recommended the range to me. So I'm super excited to try all of these out. Let's get started. So the majority of the stuff, which is the green bottles, are from the Soothe range, but I've also kind of wanted to try some of their masks, which is from the Shine range and their Ocean range, which I'm super excited about. The Shine range, of course, makes you glow, and the Ocean range is a super hydrating mask. With mask, I feel like I want to try everything. I don't want to miss out on any range, but for the rest of the products, I've definitely invested in the Soothe range. Also quite impressed with the quantity of the products. Like I can see the lotion and the toner. It's such a good quantity. It will last me forever. I'm not even kidding. So I'm very excited to try all of these. Another thing that I'm actually very excited about, and that made me want to honestly invest in this brand, is that it is hypoallergenic, which is great because I have really bad acne, and I don't know for what reason. I think मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा काढ़ा पी लिया था, इस वजह से मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा acne निकल आए हैं. I don't know if you guys can relate, but my skin's been really struggling since I've started drinking kadha. It's too warm for your body. It started showing up on my skin. Another thing that I always keep in mind, I've actually started keeping this in mind now more than ever. I have tried a lot of products in which ingredients were just not great, but now I'm very mindful of the kind of ingredients that I put on my skin. At least they need to be derived from nature. This is also a very nature-filled brand. Also, this is CGMP and ISO certified, so that's great. Okay, the first product that we're going to be reviewing is the Soothe water. I'm so excited to try this product. It's actually a micellar water. Micellar waters, I've had the worst experiences with micellar water. I've tried a bunch of them. For some reason, it does not suit my skin. It's too harsh on my skin, doesn't remove makeup. This promises to remove the makeup, and it is especially for sensitive skin. So I'm very excited to try this out. I love that the entire range is actually fragrance free. I hate it when skin products, especially the ones that go on your face, that are your beauty skin products, have really strong fragrances. It just freaks me out. It is not my thing. So I'm really happy that this is fragrance free. The next product is your bamboo toner. This one has 85% bamboo water. Bamboo water is really good for your skin, and that's the specialty of Korean skincare. This one also has hyaluronic acid, which again is very talked about in the market. A lot of people have been using hyaluronic acid because it really moisturizes, locks in the moisture in the skin. So make sure that you apply this after cleansing your face, and make sure that your skin is a little damp before you apply this, only because it has hyaluronic acid. The next product that we're going to be trying out is their serum, the Soothe serum, which is 66% bamboo serum. Again, this has 66% bamboo water. Also, this one has hyaluronic acid again. This is perfect for somebody who has dry and sensitive skin. I actually got this from my mom. I think it'll be great for her skin. It is transparent as it is, but a little bit of color that you see is because of Centella asiatica as it is. Now we have used the micellar water, we've used the toner, we have used the serum. The next obvious step is actually a moisturizer. Actually, this is genuinely my favorite product from the entire line, which is this Soothe lotion, and I'll tell you why I love it so much. Look at the consistency of this. It is so non-sticky. It is a huge misconception that if you have oily skin, you should not moisturize. I think you should moisturize. Moisturization is super important no matter what your skin type is. Something like this can really help you, which is completely non-sticky. It should not feel heavy on your skin. That is first and foremost, which it will not. It has 7-layered hyaluronic hyaluronic acid, you guys, which means lot of moisture will be intact in your skin, especially right before you sleep. Make sure you put this after your serum and everything. This will help so much in actually reviving your skin and hydrating your skin and making your skin look younger ultimately. I love that this product is specifically made to maintain that skin moisture and oil balance. It is so important when you put the moisturizer. Some moisturizers, so it's worked on me that as soon as I put like a few moisturizers on, they actually stimulate more oil production, and that is the worst for oily skin. Last but definitely not the least is my favorite item ever. I love sheet masks. I cannot stress enough how much I love sheet masks, but I'm actually very careful with the kind of sheet masks that I get, because I have definitely experienced breakouts because of using sheet masks. If you use the wrong kind of sheet mask on your skin, it is really bad. For me, it is definitely the Soothe mask. It helps in moisturization. Also, it helps in wrinkle improvement. The Soothe mask, great for sensitive and oily skin. Lotion mask, which is for my mom, and also the Shine mask, which is for my mom. This is great for somebody who has dry skin. It has so much hydration in it. This is what it says. It has so much hydration in it. The Shine mask actually makes you glow. Your dull skin makes you glow. It brightens up your skin. This is great for somebody who's struggling with really dull skin. Well, that's it, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let me know what you guys think of the video. This video is actually something that I really enjoy making, especially on YouTube. I love talking to you guys, and I love kind of reviewing things for you, especially if you're struggling with what to get in the market. There's so many brands, there's so much stuff in the market. It can easily be confusing, and I feel like YouTube is like my space, it's like my family. So I'm here. I'm gonna be back with more such reviews. Also, I know you love a good discount, and I got your back. I actually checked that these people are starting with the Diwali event from 5th of October, which is my birthday. Please wish me happy birthday. I'm turning 25, which is great. If you want to check out Keep Cool, it is exclusively available at Macaron, and you will see a lot of discounts and deals running. So if you want to go check it out, make sure you do. I will see you guys very soon. Go follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm posting every single day. Well, that's it, you guys. Big hugs. See you very soon. Bye.